If you've been looking for ways to make money online, you've probably heard about Swagbucks. The platform claims you can earn rewards by completing simple online activities like surveys, shopping, watching videos, and searching the web. But the real question is Swagbucks legitimate or is it a scam? In this review, we'll explain how Swagbucks works, how much you can realistically earn, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Let's get started. First, what is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is an online rewards platform owned by Prodige, a company that has been operating for many years in the rewards and market research industry. Instead of paying users directly in cash for every task, Swagbucks rewards you with points called SB. These points can later be redeemed for PayPal Cash, gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, and many others, depending on your country. There are several ways to earn SB points. The most popular method is completing online surveys. You can also earn points by shopping through Swagbucks partner stores, playing games, downloading and testing apps, watching promotional content, using the Swagbucks search engine, and participating in special offers. Some activities pay more than others, so many users combine different earning methods to increase their rewards. So, is Swagbucks legitimate? Yes. Swagbucks is a legitimate rewards platform that has been paying users for well over a decade. Millions of users have successfully redeemed gift cards and PayPal payments, making it one of the most well-known rewards websites available today. However, that doesn't mean you'll make a lot of money. This is where many people have unrealistic expectations. Swagbucks is not a full-time income opportunity. It's designed to provide small rewards for completing simple online activities. Your earnings will depend on how much time you spend using the platform, your location, and the number of surveys and offers available in your country. One of the biggest advantages of Swagbucks is the variety of earning options. If you don't qualify for a survey, you can still earn points through shopping, cashback offers, games, referrals, or promotional bonuses. The platform also runs daily goals, limited time promotions, and bonus events that allow active users to earn additional SB points. Now let's talk about the downsides. Not every survey will accept you. It's common to spend a few minutes answering screening questions only to find out that you don't qualify. Some offers may also require purchases or trial subscriptions, so it's important to read the conditions carefully before participating. In addition, users outside the United States often have fewer surveys and earning opportunities compared to US users. What do real users think? Overall, Swagbucks receives mostly positive reviews. Many users confirm they've received multiple PayPal payments and gift cards over the years. The most common complaints involve survey disqualifications, lower paying tasks, and the time required to accumulate enough points for larger rewards. So what's the final verdict? Is Swagbucks a scam? No. Swagbucks is a legitimate rewards platform that pays users for completing various online activities. But it's important to understand that it's a rewards program, not a job. If you're looking for a simple way to earn gift cards or a little extra cash during your free time, Swagbucks can be a good option. Just keep your expectations realistic and focus on the activities that offer the best value for your time. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you've tried Swagbucks and what your experience has been.